Welcome back. This is awesome. We're on reading lesson 8. I hope you're finding it helpful. Here we go. We'll do our vowel review. New skill. We're just going to work on a few more L blends, and I want to point out a misconception to you. Reading words and spelling words. Here we go. So vowel review. This is vowel. I. When it's closed, it will make the sound eh. Good. Make sure you're saying this out loud when I ask you the questions. This is vowel. A. Good. And the sound it will make when it's closed. Ah, excellent. This is vowel O, and the sound it will make when it's closed. Ah, awesome. Good new skill. Here we go. So you say glad. You hear that L in there? And that G sound, glad. And then glass. Yeah, we got the gl going on, glass, and that's a good one. I can't remember, but let's go see. Glad. So the G makes the G sound. And then the L, it's just another blend that makes the hard to see the vowel. So glad, glass, and oh, grab. So it's just the R in there as a blend. Grab. I just wanted to make sure that you knew the G made the G sound. Good job. Okay, so that's the new skill. Just going to practice some more blends and just making sure that when you see G, you make the G sound. Okay, so reading words. Okay, so let's do the sounds. Reminder, you can push pause and read the words and then check to make sure you had them right. Or you can read them along with me, but blend with me. Don't let me do it all by myself, okay? Here we go. Glad. The word is glad. Awesome. Let's do this one. Drag. The word is drag. Great job. Next word. Flag. The word is flag. Good job. Last word. Clog. The word is clog. Awesome. Read that word again. Clog. Flag. Drag. And glad. Good. Okay, let's do this side. Sounds. Grip. Grip. Awesome. Sounds. Grin. The word is grin. Really good. Oh, this is a good word. We can do this. Ready? Sounds. And the word is grand. Awesome. Last word. Gloss. The word is gloss. Fantastic. Read the words again from the bottom. Gloss, grand, grin, and grip. Great reading. Good job. Okay, so just let me grab my pencil here. You might already be seeing it, but remember when you read these words with your teacher, you can use your pencil to figure out where the syllable division is. Okay, and so let's read this part. G, al, gal, and then this part, lant. Put it together. Gallant, gallant, gallant. You're gallant. I think it means you're nice and kind. Okay. Oh, sorry. I just need to get rid of those marks. Gallant. Awesome. Oh, okay. We're gonna go up here this time. Oops. Okay. So if you can see it, so there's the two vowels. It's gonna go here. Okay. So that O has to say ah. Some kids really want to say go because they see the little word go, but the S controls what the O says, and it's ah. So we're gonna say g, os, gos, sip. What's the word? Gossip. Awesome. So let's read those words again. We'll start at the top here. Gossip and gallant. Fantastic. Okay, just let me get rid of my control bar here. Okay, let's read this. Gus was a gallant man and had a goblet made of glass. Good. Read that again. Gus was a gallant man and had a goblet made of glass. Read this part. Gus did walk with the glass, but did trip on a stick and the glass did crack. I don't think I could find a picture of the glass breaking, but there you go. Okay, so we did the reading words, and now we're just going to spell. Make sure you've got your paper and pencil or a whiteboard ready. And the first sound we are going to do, we're going to always do our vowel reviews. So say ah. Okay, what letter are you going to write for ah? You're writing an O, good job. Now say I. You should be writing the letter I. Good job. Last one, say ah. Ah. Good. Letter A. Good job. Okay, we're just making sure you've got these like mastered. So whenever you hear them, you know what it is. Awesome. So we are going to do the word. We're just going to do 2 words today, a shorter one and then a longer one. First word is glad. What sounds do you hear in glad? G, O, ad. So that G, go ahead and write. It's a G. Good. And what do you hear beside the G? Go. Hopefully you're writing an L. Go. And then you hear ah. Good. Hopefully you're writing an A. And then the last sound, glad, which is a D. Awesome. What word did you write? Glad. Okay. Last word is pilgrim. Pilgrim. How many syllables to pilgrim? Pilgrim. Awesome. So let's worry about the first syllable. Pill. What sounds do you hear? P, I, O. What's the first sound? P, which is the P. Then you hear I and O. Good. So we got the pill. Now we got to worry about grim. So what sounds do you hear? G, R, M. Good. So go ahead. G, R, I, M. Good. What word did you write? Pilgrim. Awesome. So we wrote pilgrim and glad. Awesome. You have done another lesson, which is amazing. Good work. And check in with your teacher. And remember to use that strategy for dividing the word up into syllables to help your brain know where to read them. If it's getting easier, that's awesome. And then apply those strategies when you're spelling. Okay, awesome. See you next time.